Rise and shine, guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Tita unboxing. Ayan, so thank you again for watching my video, and this time mag-unbox tayo ng taning! Ching! Air fryer. Yan, so ito ay Black & Decker AirFryer. And this is actually a gift from me to my brother. Hi, Kuya! Miss you! And matagal niya nang request to. And supposedly, bibiling ko to and iuwi ko to sa Pilipinas last March. However, alam niyo na, nagkaroon ng COVID. So, na-delay. So, hindi mo na ako bumili. So, maybe like 2 weeks ago, binili ko na siya kasi nagpa-plano akong magpa-box sa Pilipinas. So, he requested na bago ko siya ipadala is itry ko muna siya, mag-unboxing daw ako, mag-video ako and all. And also, itry ko na rin para, 'di ba? Kasi kapag nasa Pilipinas na mahirap nang ibalik sa store yung appliances. Ayan na nga. So, yung binili ko is model A400 with the capacity of 4 liters or 1.2 kilograms. So, when it comes to air fryer talaga, ang kilala is Philips. Kaso, sobrang mahal niya compared to other air fryers, including the Black & Decker. So, ito na lang yung binili ko. At least, medyo mas mura siya, plus mas malaki yung capacity niya. So, this one retails at 350 dirhams here sa UAE. Ayan, so, yung binili ko, meron siyang, another type, which is yung manual na knob. Pero yung binili ko is yung digital. Ang pinapili ko yung si Kuya kung ano yung mas gusto niya. And sabi niya gusto daw niya yung digital para medyo social tignan. So, this is the air fryer. Okay, so I just plugged it in. And makikita niyo may nakasulat dyan na mode. So, let's press. And makikita nyo, I think this is the time and the temperature. So, timer. Yan. I'm guessing this is by minutes. So, just click on mode to change the temperature. So, this comes by degrees Celsius. Hanggang 200 degrees Celsius lang yung kaya niyang temperature. So, you just pull it. So, ganito yung itsura niya sa loob. So, i-open nyo lang. Tapos, may pindutan siya. Pag pinindot nyo, pull it up. Yan na siya. Yan. So, pag ibabalik mo, ganun lang din. Balik mo lang dun sa slot niya. Then, may clicking sound. Close mo to. And then, bring it back. Push. Okay?